How to find and see your stream summary on Twitch PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Twitch, this is the home page as you can see right here. Now all what you have to do is simple. Go to the top corner, click here, click on settings. After you click on settings, now all what you have to do is click on channel and videos. After you click on channel and videos, click here on insights. After you click on insights, you will find your stream summary right here as you can see. Click on it like this, and here you will find your stream summary. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.